I didn't plan for anything special on this flight. The drone was just hovering quietly, holding its place in the cold morning air. And then, suddenly, the sky shifted. A flock of crows appeared above me, moving as one, breaking apart, coming together again. Some stayed distant, others passed close enough for me to hear the flutter of their wings. The Neo 2 didn't chase them. It simply watched, steady and small, letting the moment unfold on its own. From below, the birds looked like scattered shadows, drifting across the pale sky. Unpredictable, but strangely calm. I love moments like this, the ones you don't plan, the ones you just happen to witness. A tiny companion in the air, and a sudden flock that turned an ordinary flight into something unexpected. I'll stay quiet now, so you can watch the sky move. And if this kind of calm speaks to you, you're free to follow along or support the video in your own way.